To schedule a webinar in Zoho, you have two main access points. You can navigate directly to webinar.zoho.com or access it through your Zoho One dashboard. Once you're in the platform, click Schedule Webinar to begin. You'll need to choose your webinar type from three options: live webinars for real-time presentations, automated webinars for pre-recorded content, or hybrid webinars that combine both approaches. Next, you'll set up the basic information for your webinar. This includes the webinar title and description, date and time settings with time zone configuration, and duration. For optimal engagement, it's recommended to keep webinars between 45 to 90 minutes. Zoho Webinar provides 4 registration options to suit different needs. Open registration allows anyone to register freely. Approval required lets you manually approve each attendee. Invite only restricts access to specific email addresses. No registration provides a direct-to-join link for immediate access. Finally, you can customize registration forms to collect the information you need. Standard fields include name, email, company, and job title. You can also add custom fields such as industry, interests, or specific questions relevant to your webinar topic. Zoho Webinar provides comprehensive email automation and advanced configuration options to maximize your webinar success. We'll explore the automated email sequences and technical settings that ensure professional webinar delivery. Zoho Webinar automatically sends a complete email sequence to keep your attendees engaged. The system sends confirmation emails immediately upon registration, followed by strategic reminders at 24 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes before your webinar starts. Customize your email communications with branded templates featuring your company logo and colors. Use merge tags to personalize content with attendee names and details. Support multiple languages for global audiences and include calendar integration with ICS files so attendees can easily add your webinar to their calendars. Configure advanced technical settings for optimal webinar performance. Set streaming quality from HD 720p up to Full HD 1080p. Choose automatic cloud recording or grant local recording permissions to attendees. Enable adaptive streaming to optimize bandwidth usage based on each participant's connection quality. Enhance security with virtual waiting rooms that control attendee entry, password protection for sensitive webinars, and attendee authentication to verify participant identities. These features ensure your webinar remains secure and professional. Maximize audience engagement with interactive tools, including live polls and surveys, Q&A sessions, real-time chat functionality, breakout rooms for small group discussions, and screen sharing capabilities. These features transform passive viewers into active participants, significantly improving webinar effectiveness and attendee satisfaction. With these comprehensive email automation and advanced configuration options, Zoho Webinar provides everything needed for professional webinar delivery and maximum attendee engagement.